Whether you want to start a business or expand an existing one, develop new products or go international, finance is the core of every business organization. Finance is about where the money is and how to use that money wisely. Our Bachelor of Business Administration in Finance concentration is a very stimulating field, and I think it's one of the best return on investment programs. During their journey at AUC, finance major students develop analytical skills and acquire the required tool to optimally solve financial-related problems. They are also prepared to write professional exams such as CFA and the PRM. We actually prepare a job-ready candidates that are competitive, innovative, and high-performing decision makers. Our finance graduates have a variety of interesting job opportunities such as fund manager, equity analyst, bond analyst, trader, financial consultant, and many more. Over the year, we at AUC have graduated many leaders and decision makers that are shaping the financial industry in Egypt and all around the world. We're looking forward to see you in our major. Good luck.